Do you want to get more views on your Instagram Reels? Well then, keep on watching, for in this video, we'll show you 10 ways to get more views on Instagram Reels. Hi, welcome back to Technique 4's channel, the School of Digital Marketing. And before we start, please go ahead and like and share this video so it could reach more people. And let's get started. With Instagram as the 5th most downloaded app in the world, knowing how to promote your Reels makes your audience pay more attention to your brand. So, what are we waiting for? Here are 10 ways to get more views on Instagram Reels. Number 1. Create valuable content for your audience. Let me ask you, what's the difference between using Instagram for your brand and using it for personal enjoyment? Well, it's the kind of content you create and post on your Instagram profile. While your personal account can be a mix of everything that you want to upload, your Instagram business profile is geared more towards marketing to your followers. To get more views on Instagram Reels, they need to be educational. Reels that focus on what your brand is all about or what you offer. But valuable content isn't just limited to informational. Do your followers prefer funny content? Then to get more viewers for your videos, you can make your Reels entertaining as well and make it relatable to your audience. Next, number 2. Use popular audio tracks in your Reels. Here's a secret hack that Instagram experts do to increase the number of Reels viewers. Go to the Reels area. Because of Instagram's advanced algorithm, you'll see relevant Reels based on your activity. And the best part is, these Reels will all have high numbers of views already because Instagram's featuring them. Don't just watch Reels though. Use them as inspiration by finding out the audio used in these Reels. To find the audio used in an Instagram Reel, click on the audio thumbnail at the lower right side of the Reel. It will then take you to a page where you will see how many views the original video of the audio has. On this page, you can also save the audio or use it to film your Reel directly. To increase the chances of your Instagram Reel being viral, make sure the original video of the audio has at least 1 million views. This way, you're sure that Instagram already knows that this audio is engaging and preferred by their users. After all, they've featured it, and it's been watched more than 1 million times already. Number 3. Create Reels under 10 seconds. Did you know that the average attention span is up to 8 seconds only? This means that people will be less likely to watch your Instagram Reels if they're longer than 8 to 10 seconds. They may be too busy scrolling to the next reel if you couldn't get their attention in the first few seconds. Sure, you can engage them from the start by telling an intriguing story, sharing an interesting fact, or stimulating their curiosity. But what if they don't finish watching the whole Instagram video? You can easily solve this issue by keeping your Instagram Reels under 10 seconds. As long as you've added an engaging hook at the beginning of your short reel, your viewers are more likely to watch your video completely since it's just less than 10 seconds. Number 4. Embed Instagram video feeds on your website. If you want a quick and easy way to promote your Instagram Reels to your site visitors, try displaying your Instagram videos feed on your website. This way, your visitors can view your Reels right on your site, even if they're not your followers yet. Moving on to number 5. Add relevant hashtags. Another excellent way to increase views on your Reels is to use relevant hashtags. By adding targeted hashtags to your Reel, you increase the chances of more users watching your Instagram video. Make sure to add a maximum of 10 hashtags only. Anything more than that can be considered as spam by Instagram's algorithm. Next, number 6. Post when your followers are most active. A simple strategy to get more views and engagement for your Instagram Reels is to post at the right time, when your followers are most active. And if you have an Instagram business account, you can see when your followers are most active using the app's Insights feature. Next, number 7. Run a viral giveaway. The higher your Instagram follower count is, the higher your chance to get more views on your reels. Running an Instagram giveaway is one of the most effective ways to promote your account and get more followers. After all, Instagram accounts that run regular giveaways grow 70% faster than those who don't. Next, number 8. Ask questions in your captions. Getting more views on your Instagram Reels isn't the only way to go viral. Your videos need to be highly engaging as well. Aside from views, your Reels also need likes and comments from different Instagram users. When your followers regularly like and leave comments on your videos, they're influencing Instagram's algorithm. As a result, Instagram will prioritize placing your Reels on their feeds so you can get more exposure and more views. To make your Reels more engaging is to ask questions in your captions. The next time you upload a new Instagram Reel, make sure to add a question in your captions so that Instagram's algorithm works in your favor. Moving on to number 9. Put branded twists on trending Reels. If you're uploading Reels regularly, sometimes it can be hard to think of a content. This is where posting Reels about trending topics come in. Just make sure that they're related to your own brand. And last but not the least, number 10. Add Instagram video widgets to your site. By embedding an Instagram video widget on your website, everyone who visits it can watch your videos, even if they're not your Instagram followers yet. The more people visit your website, the more viewers your Reels can get. And there you have it, 10 ways to get more views on Instagram Reels. I hope you find this video helpful, and if it did, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on our daily videos. And before this video ends,
stop living with low return and ultra expensive Facebook ads. Breakthrough SaaS gets you high quality buyer traffic from YouTube for literally pennies. Get unlimited leads with quality buyer traffic from YouTube ads with targeting options you won't even get on Facebook. Introducing Tube Target by Technic Force. It's a powerful YouTube targeting SaaS with marketing training. Tube Target gives you everything you need to dominate. You have Channel Finder, Video Finder, Keyword Finder, Video Analyzer, and a powerful training, a detailed guide and help, and 24/7 chat support and assistance. So, what are you waiting for? Try Tube Target now. Just go to gettubetarget.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.